Okay, dear students, we have started our topic sources of food in the first lecture. Now, I am telling you that we have done in that lecture that what is importance of food, mean to say food is helping us to getting energy, food keeps us healthy, food is needed for our maintenance and growth. Okay, then we did a activity on the basis of what are the various things needed, mean to say ingredients. That is activity 1.1. What are various ingredients needed in different kind of food? Two particular I have told you, one for the chapati and one for the sandwich. Now I am solving you the next two. The next two are which one is the first one is the idli. For idli preparation, ingredients are rice, you will tell, water, and salt. Particularly, you will tell the ingredients. Okay. The next one is your dal. How you will prepare dal? Okay. So you can tell about that. Water you needed in that case also. Salt also you needed. Spices also you needed. Okay. And raw seeds of dal. Raw seeds dal. Okay. That is the particularly ingredients for the dal you use to eat particularly. Okay. Now the next topic is the real topic which is revolving around our main topic, that is sources of food. That all these foods we are getting from where? Where? Like plants. Okay, there are two main sources for the particularly plants. Is there any other source? Yes, animals. Animals gives us particularly what kind of food? Milk, egg, okay, meat. These kind of food we actually get from what? Animals. Okay. And what are the plants we giving us particularly? Plants gives us particularly cereals. Cereals like you can say wheat, maize. These are the cereals particle. Okay. Which are given by the plants. Vegetables, fruits. These are mainly sources of foods, pulses, oils. These are the main plants foods which are we are getting from them. Okay. Plants in different case have different parts. Different parts in different plants is used to eat. Okay, in some cases we use root, in some cases we use their seed, in some cases we use their leaves. Okay, we will also discuss in which case which plant part is used. But the part of plant, हिस्सा मतलब the part of plant, कौन सा हिस्सा plant का? The part of plant which is edible, sorry, eatable. Eatable means we can eat particularly. Which is eatable is known as edible part. You should say eatable part. Okay. In some cases, more than one part of plant is edible. Okay, for example, mustard. Okay, mustard's seeds. Why? Because their seeds are also used, and their leaves. Seeds are used to get oils. Leaves there are used to make vegetable. So in some cases some plants have more than two edible parts particularly. Okay. Now there is an activity given, that is your activity 1.2. Okay. Activity 1.2 particularly, in which you have to list some particularly plants you have to sort out. 1.2, one example he has given particularly of banana, like that you can use it as a fruit. Second thing, its flower also can be used for the eating purposes. So this particular plant have 2 edible parts. Okay, you have to list at least 3 more such plants which have more than 2. Like one is, I have already told you, mustard. Okay, so one you can take mustard, its seeds can be used, its leaves can be used. So the rest of 2 you have to find out. The rest of 2 plants which have 2 edible, at least 2 edible parts. Okay, that you have to find out. This is your homework for tomorrow, first thing. Okay, the next thing, you will read up to the activity 1.2. okay, or it is written simply activity 2 in your book, Cordova book, it will given activity 2. okay, so you have to solve up to there, you have to read here, and this is your homework to find out 2 plants which have at least 2 edible parts. Okay.